right, I just got this. This is a 1-pack of a lithium-ion battery, and it's a high-quality replacement battery for a very famous drill. It comes with this little booklet. It's just the battery. I mean, nothing else in there, right? So let's go close that up. And here it is right here. And check it out. And it looks pretty cool. It does, you know, it works the exact same way as all batteries, right? And I do believe we can use the charger that we have. And if you look, you're gonna see, check this out. Looks pretty close, doesn't it? And guess what that is? That's a DeWalt lithium battery. Look at this one. So this one right here is a little bit bigger, and I think it's gonna hold a bigger charge, and we can use this on our DeWalt drill. So let's set those two here. Here's my DeWalt drill, right? Let's take this one off. Let's put this one on, right? It slides on. See the grooves there and the grooves on the bottom? Just slides on. Bam. This is the release here. That's how you get it off. This thing snaps into that little groove right there. So you see how that pushes down? So when you push this in, it kind of pushes that in. See that? And then locks in. And then it should run. Guess what? There's a charge on this bad boy. Now if you want to see how much it's charged, you press here. You can see you got 2 bars. So I could charge it up a little bit, you know, because it's not fully charged. But it does have a charge in it. And pop it off. And bam, Bob's running. Now, oops, my drill's a little top heavy. Let me put this old battery in there. Set it over here. All right, so here's this. Now this is the DeWalt charger. So what's cool about this is that you can charge it right on this DeWalt, right? So all I have to do that is just slide it on, just like that, right? And bam. It's kind of weird because it just kind of slips in there like that. And then you're ready to go. And then I just got to plug this in, which I will do. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Over here's my plug. So I plug that in. Then we look over here, and bam, it's charging. But we can leave it on here for a while and see if we can get it so that it shows all of these. You know what I mean? Right now we got 2. I'd like to see all 4. So we can leave it on there. We'll let it charge up. And this is the old DeWalt. We'll hang on to that. It's always good to have extra ones. Alright, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this, a replacement battery for your DeWalt. Peace out.